Hello again, Ms. Julie here with another story from the Public Library. After Squidnight by Jonathan Fenske, published by Penguin Workshop. The sky is black, the clouds are inky, the salty air is still and stinky. You're snug in bed, you're softly sleeping, while to your house the squids are creeping. Tick-tock, tick-tock, midnight sounds. At the beach the ocean pounds, and from the surf a suckered hand drags itself onto the sand. You dream of breezy afternoons, the squid slides softly over dunes, pale artists from the ocean dark, on their way to make their mark. In water, squid art does not stay, inky drawings drift away. So pointy head and arms of blue will bring the inky art to you. In they pour, their arms like noodles, drawing curly, swirly doodles. Yum, your kitchen looks delicious, through the cupboard, over dishes, on fridge and freezer, leaving streaks, dragging tentacles and beaks. Down the hall, the dark ink dribbles, now your rug is full of scribbles. Bathroom pit stop, rub-a-dub, drawing water in the tub. Your room is next, and while you snore, the squids squeeze underneath your door. They draw on trucks and draw on dolls. They draw on curtains, clothes, and walls. They draw on you, but you don't care. You do not even know they're there. But when you stir, oh, how they scatter, their squiddy hearts a pitter-patter. They wait in shadows, big eyes blinking, and pause their squidly-diddly inking, till all is quiet as before. Then they ooze out to ink some more. They draw on doors, they draw on hooks, they draw on shoes and socks and books. They draw until the sunlight's glowing lets them know they must be going. You wake in time to see one still, sliding off the windowsill. Tick-tock, tick-tock, morning sounds. At the beach, the ocean pounds, and through the surf, the squids with glee drag themselves back to the sea. While in your room you blink and stare, your eyes adjust to what is there. The inky art is everywhere. Your mom and dad are not too happy. Start the scrubbing, make it snappy. You try your best to blame the squids, but who believes the tales of kids? In houses, squid art cannot stay. You have to wash it all away. Well, not quite all, for with a smile, in the corner behind a pile of random stuff, you save one mark, sketched by a squid in midnight's dark. It's just a doodle, nothing grand, left by a slimy, suckered hand, whose artist's heart just had to share with anybody who might care, that once while you slept unaware, after midnight, squids were there. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you come back for more crafts and stories from the Public Library.